Nessa Sunshine here today, and today's video is in collaboration with Maggie Hardy. Make sure you join the party. She is awesome. She is wonderful. We did this in collaboration together to make an eye look for you with Modern Renaissance. Her video will be linked in the description box. Of course, first subscribe to my channel. Why not? If you are not subscribed already, let's get into the tutorial. Here's Modern Renaissance. With our ring finger, we're going into Antique Bronze. Now that we have the pigment on our finger, take Antique Bronze in the center of my eyelid, swiping it in to the inner corner of the eyelid, and now move it the other way on the other side. So swipe it on the other side of the eyelid. So from the middle, we go into the lid, start to bring it up, and we're blending with our finger. Do that to the other side. Now that I have the color on both eyelids, I'm going to take my handy dandy brush. Here we have the Anastasia A10 blending brush, and with that, I shall blend the outskirts of our shadow that we applied with our finger. So I'm just blending from the center above that shadow. I'm blending back and forth in swiper motions. This is clean. I didn't add anything. Now that we have the first shade of the two shades, Antique Bronze, on the top lid, we could even leave it like this. If you just want to stop right there, put on your mascara and go, you can. But I'm just going to do a little pop of shimmer to really brighten this look up. Take the color Primavera, and I'm going to take my finger as well into the center of my eyelid. I'm going to start from the base and bring it up, patting my finger very gently. Pat your finger and round it over to the other part of your eyelid and pat it over and round it to this other part of the eyelid. I'm going to take my little pinky finger and blend. Be gentle to your eyelids. Gentle finger blending. And that just brings a beautiful brightness to the center of the eye, kind of like a halo eye. Do that to the other eye, and there we go. I curled my lashes and I put mascara on. This side is just with the mascara, the Benefit Roller Lash. You can see what it looks like. And here, this is with the false lash, and that's what I'm going to wear and put on this side. But I just want you guys to see, this is what it looks like with no lash, just your natural, well, just my natural lashes. And then these are the Lashylicious, Lustylicious Lash. So that's what it looks like. If you like false lashes, put those false lashes on and do our face makeup individually. Do our lip, and we'll get back into the video for the lower lash line from here, and we'll do a little If you are wondering, the lip color I'm wearing today is the Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint in Sweet. Like sweet candy. This is the ABH Cosmetics number 8 brush from the Signature Rose Gold collection. And we're gonna go into that Antique Bronze shadow. I'm taking my mirror up here. Take the Antique Bronze on the outer corner of the lashes, or the outer corner of the lower lash line. And I'm just pressing it first. Press, press, press. Start to blend it now. I'm going to blend it and work it kind of up, and blend it and work it kind of down. But now I'm taking the Anastasia A14 brush. It's a pencil brush, and I'm taking that color Primavera. And with Primavera, I'm going to spray it. Put that right here in the inner corner of the eye and make it tinier as it goes out to the center. Bring it in the inner corner like that, and bring it up and down and cross. Finish up with the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. Add that mascara. If you don't like to add mascara to your lower lashes, I wouldn't suggest adding the shadow, but if you did add the shadow, I would highly suggest adding the mascara to the lower lashes and finishing up the look. Thanks for watching this 2 eyeshadow tutorial. If you want a little bit more of a glam look, don't forget to check out Maggie Hardy, join her party, and see her glam eye look she did with the Modern Renaissance palette. Also, I am going to be starting a new series on this channel. Are you guys ready? Drum roll, please. Sunshine Academy. So Sunshine Academy is basically how-tos on how I do my makeup. So I'm gonna go into very specific content in each video. There are so many how-tos, I bet you, on YouTube, but I want to show you how-to on how I do things. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna do different videos, like focusing on different eyeshadow techniques, how I set my face, things like skincare, even like lash application. If there's anything specific that you're wanting to know how to on how I do, please let me know know. And also, if you made it to this point of the video, comment down below, liked. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @NessaSunshine_. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.